aCMP Demo Part 2, Multi-Tenancy and Self-Service Portals. Let's start the second part of the Sangfor aCMP 5.8.6 demo walkthrough. aCMP transforms aCloud into a true enterprise private cloud platform, and there's no better feature to demonstrate the cloud capabilities on aCMP than multi-tenancy and self-service portals. Let's take a look at how multi-tenancy works on Sangfor aCloud with aCMP. All the multi-tenancy management hides in the Operations Center. Here, we can create an organization, much like a tenant. Let's input the necessary information. First, we'll create an organization named Tenant Test with the Tenant Admin username Tenant1. Tenant Admin will use this username and corresponding password to log into the Tenant Admin portal. After that, let's add the aCloud HK-AZ as the resource pool, configure the tenant network, and assign the resource quota to this organization. Let's assign 20 virtual cores of CPU, 64 gigabytes of memory, and 1,000 gigabytes of storage to this specific organization. Click OK to create this organization with the assigned resources. Platform Admin is also able to create roles with specific permissions. For example, here I'm creating a role with read-only permissions so that this role can be associated with certain accounts and used for demo purposes. Go to Work Order to see any requests, which will be displayed here. Platform Admin can also customize the workflow template to meet different organizations' requirements. The approval chain is customizable as well. With regard to billing, all costs and bills are displayed here, with unit prices set based on customers' requirements. Tenants can be charged by CPU per core and per hour, while RAM and storage are charged per gigabyte per hour. All costs and bills can be exported to a local disk. Now let's log out of the platform admin account and go to the Tenant Admin portal. To do that, the default settings require you to delete port 4430 and input the Tenant Admin's username and password. Here, we are in the Tenant Admin portal. The home page shows the alarms, work orders, users, billing, and resource usage. On the top are resources, Operations Center, Monitoring, and System. Click Topography to see that the tenant has its own What You Draw is What You Get network topography interface. If we go to Operations Center, we can successfully create a user after inputting the necessary information. Next, log out of the Tenant Admin account and log into the user account. End users can apply for VMs and storage resources on this self-service portal according to his or her requirements. Log out of the user account and let's get back to Tenant Admin. What if the tenant is running out of resources and needs to expand? This is easy with aCMP. Simply go to Operations Center and create a new work order. For this one, let's apply for an additional 20 cores of vCPU, 28 gigabytes of memory, and 200 gigabytes of storage to add to the resource pool. After submitting the application, you can see it's waiting for Super Admin to approve. Log out of this Tenant Admin and log in as Platform Admin. Go to Pending Work Orders and see there's one waiting for approval. Clicking it will show you the application details and let you take action. Let's approve this application. After it's approved, the additional resource will be assigned to the tenant right away. Log out of the Platform Admin and log in as Tenant Admin. After you log in, you can immediately see a notification has popped up at the bottom right corner telling you that the application has been approved. Click to see the approval details. If you return to the home page, you can see that the resource pool has now expanded with the newly assigned resources. We highly recommend trying aCMP and experiencing it yourself by hopping in the driver's seat to see how it can revolutionize your data center. Thank you for watching our Sangfor aCMP demo.